if you're following my videos, you know that we recently rebuilt 4 of these Yamaha BR12Ms. Hasn't been that long. Used them several times, few times already. And go figure, this weekend, my guys, who usually are pretty good at not breaking stuff, dumped the speaker off a cart and something's rattling around inside of it. So, freshly, brand new, rebuilt speakers. Spend good money on parts, and we got one down already. So, and I have not taken it apart yet to see what's wrong. I've been saving it for the video. Let's see what's wrong. Let's see what broke. First I was thinking the woofer came loose, but because it's bigger than what the original one was and it's kind of pressed up against the grill, I'm maybe reassessing that and thinking it's not that. And then I'm thinking something on the inside maybe came loose. I don't know. Like I said, we'll see. Get all the screws? I don't think so. Let's see if there's any outward details that just stick out when we open it. Yep. There we go. The horn driver, the waveguard where the horn driver connects, broke off. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Can you guys see there in the hole? I don't know if it sticks out. So the waveguard broke and the horn driver fell in. So, not an expensive part to replace, but, and I don't have an extra one. Nope, I don't see an extra one up there, so I guess I'm gonna have to reorder me one. So a little bit of money, not a painful repair. I mean, anytime you gotta take money out of your profits, it sucks. But I will, because this is not a hard repair and it's not a technical repair. So here's what happened. Wait a minute. That's very unusual. What the heck? That's very unusual. I thought the whole thing broke off, but it's like the threads. I mean, this is a heavy part. You know, maybe just all the bouncing around in the trailer. I mean, this is plastic, so maybe this is a bad review on the part. I mean, I'm kind of surprised, guys. I really thought. You know what I'm thinking now? I'm thinking, there we go, it is stripped. I'm thinking, I was thinking maybe it vibrated. I mean, no, but then the wire would be twisted up. I think when it fell, okay, there is a crack here. Maybe I just did it just now. I don't know. And the bottom line is it did fall off, so we're going to have to reorder it. There you have it. Quick and simple. Kinda. Alright, I don't think I need to show the ordering of the new part and repair because it's in the other video. That's what was wrong with it. Quick, simple video. That's it. Y'all have a good one.